Picture this. You're sitting in math class, learning about the Pythagorean theorem. Your teacher says it came from ancient Greece. But what if that's only half the story? What if, centuries before Pythagoras was born, Indian sages had already cracked this secret and hid it inside fire altars? Let me take you back 2,800 years. In India, priests built sacred altars with shapes so precise they needed math most of us can't even do without calculators. These weren't just piles of bricks, they were giant puzzles. The Sulba Sutras, ancient manuals for rituals, hold rules for geometry that still baffle experts. Here's the thing. One text, the Baudhayana Sutra, says, the diagonal of a square splits it into two equal halves. Wait, that's Pythagoras' theorem, but written 1,000 years earlier. How? Why? Did Greek scholars borrow this knowledge, or is it just a crazy coincidence? But it gets weirder. These priests weren't just building squares. They calculated the square root of 2, 1.414, with jaw-dropping accuracy. For what? To design altars that channeled cosmic energy. Imagine needing math that precise to talk to the gods. Now here's the kicker. Modern scholars found these altars match geometric perfection up to 99%. That's like building a perfect circle with sticks and ropes. But why don't we learn about this? Why does Pythagoras get all the credit? Was there a cover-up? Or did history just forget? Think about it. While Greeks were still centuries away, India had equations hidden in rituals. These weren't just numbers, they were sacred codes that built altars to touch the divine. But here's the real question. What else did they know? What other secrets are buried in those flames? If this made you rethink everything you learned in school, hit subscribe. We're digging up more forgotten truths, stories your textbook skipped. Share this with someone who loves mysteries, because next time, we might just reveal how ancient India predicted the stars, or why their maps of the universe still stump scientists. Stay curious, the past isn't done surprising us.